Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are here at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, and we are seeing so many amazing things while we're here at this show. One of my favorite things here at the show is the Jeep experience that they've got going on here in the background that you can see behind me. We did take video of going along on that experience. Be sure to check that out. But that experience is all about riding in the Wrangler. Right now, all the Wranglers on that experience are 4xEs, and there's a lot of talk about the 4xEs right now. But I wanted to cover Old Faithful over here, right? This is their classic two-door Jeep Wrangler. It's not the 4xE, okay? It's not a Rubicon. So Willys, two-door Wrangler. And I have a soft spot for a classic two-door Wrangler. And it's sitting over here in the corner by the track. I wanted to talk about it. But I tell you what are you gonna get here? You know, this new platform that Jeep has, they've continued to refine it over time. They've changed the technology a little bit. They've increased the amenities on the inside. You know, they're always improving, right? This new one specifically, it's got that integrated antenna into the front windshield. That's pretty cool. You know, so it's not getting hung up on stuff off-road. That's interesting. But with the Willys Jeep, what are you gonna get here? Again, not a Rubicon, right? You're gonna have that standard locking rear end. You've got 270 horsepower up here with about 290 foot-pounds of torque. 17-inch wheels and 33-inch tires. It's just got that classic look. I don't know about you, but I see Wranglers all the time and every day, but I'm seeing mostly four doors these days. When I'm looking around town, I've really noticed that. And so anytime I see a good, classic, clean, two-door Wrangler, I just look at it kind of longingly and I'm like, man, I just love that vehicle. And I'm definitely digging the hot color on this one. But you know what you're gonna get here with the two-door Wrangler. Or maybe you've forgotten because everybody just thinks about the four doors these days. I get it, we wanna put more people in. But let's get in here because it's just nice to be in a two-door Wrangler again. So you hop up in here and all the things that should be simple in a Jeep remain simple in a Jeep. But yet they've found a way to add amenities here. You got a over 12-inch screen here for your infotainment, and of course all the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto and all of that. But you have pretty manual gauges in here that I love, and they've still given you a nice digital display here in the middle. They haven't gone full digital with your gauges yet, and I like that. I appreciate good, clean analog gauges in a vehicle, and I like that in muscle cars and things like that. But when you're in a Jeep, it kind of also provides that classic feel that just kind of makes me feel at home. And now this one is equipped with the automatic transmission, but again, this is one of the vehicles that remains close to my heart because you can still get a manual transmission in here. And so I absolutely love it. Nobody was giving this guy attention over here in the corner, and I really like it. I love the color. If I could get one of these today and bomb around town in it, I definitely would. So I wanted to give it some attention and some love. But when is the last time you looked at a two-door Wrangler? And when you get one, do you feel like you have to get all the stuff and all the accessories and all the big time stuff? Maybe, yeah, that stuff is all really awesome, but sometimes you just want a good, solid two-door Wrangler. And this is it right here. You've got the Willys insignia with the cool decals. I'm really digging it. But there's lots of really amazing and awesome stuff here at the Detroit Auto Show this year. We've covered a lot of it. I hope you check out our other videos. But thanks for walking around this one with me real quick. And I'm kind of going down memory lane here with a two-door Jeep. I really like it. But again, this is Drive It Out. You found us here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next review.